Hi everyone, welcome back to Ruth Finance. If you're watching this video, you're probably curious about how to turn your love for social media into actual income. And I'm here to tell you it's absolutely possible, even if you've never worked in marketing before. In today's video, I'm going to show you a complete blueprint for starting your very own social media management using tools like ChatGPT and Canva. And we are going to break this down into 5 simple actionable steps that anyone can follow. By the end of this guide, you will understand what social media management really is and why businesses desperately need it, how to identify your niche and ideal clients, how to create stunning content using free tools, and the exact marketing strategies to land your first client, and how to price your services and scale to multiple clients. And most importantly, how to make consistent money online doing this. This is a legitimate business model that thousands of people are using right now to earn anywhere from $500 to $5,000 per month. So whether you are a student looking for a side income or a stay-at-home parent wanting flexibility or someone looking to escape the 9-to-5 grind, this guide is for you. So grab a notebook, turn off distractions, and let's dive into building your social media management business from scratch. So step 1, understand social media management. Before we jump into the how-to, we need to get crystal clear on what you'll actually be doing as a social media manager. What does a social media manager do? A social media manager is someone who helps businesses build and maintain their presence on social platforms like Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, LinkedIn, or Twitter. You're especially becoming the voice and focus of their brand online, and your main responsibilities include content creation. This means coming up with post ideas, writing captions, and creating or sourcing images and videos that align with the brand's message. Then scheduling posts. Businesses need to post consistently, usually 3 to 7 times per week, depending on the platform. You will plan out content calendar and schedule everything in advance. Then community engagement. This involves responding to comments and messages, liking and commenting on other relevant accounts, and building relationships with followers. Then strategy and analytics. You will track what content performs best, understand when the audience is most active, and adjust your strategy to grow followers and engagement. Then brand representation. Everything you post needs to reflect the business's values, tone, and goals. You're helping build trust and credibility online. Why do businesses need you? Here's the thing. Every business today knows they need to be on social media, but most businesses owners are busy running their actual business, managing inventory, handling finances, fulfilling orders, dealing with customer service. They simply don't have the time to create content, engage with followers, and stay consistent on social media. And that's where you come in as the lifeline. And here's what makes this opportunity so powerful. Most small businesses are willing to pay $300 to $2,000 per month for social media management, depending on how many platforms you manage and how much content you create. You don't need to be an expert. One of the biggest misconceptions is that you need to be a marketing guru. You need 3 things. Basic understanding of how social media works. If you use Instagram or TikTok regularly, you already have this willingness to learn and improve. Then consistency and reliability. This is actually more important than creativity, with tools like ChatGPT helping you write captions and generate ideas, and then Canva helping you design beautiful posts. You can produce professional quality content from day one. Start with one platform, and here's my advice. For beginners, don't try to manage every platform at once. Pick one, Master it fast. Instagram is probably the best starting point because it's visual and engaging. Most businesses want to be on Instagram. There are clear metrics to track success. You can manage it entirely from your phone or laptop. Once you're confident with Instagram, you can expand to Facebook, TikTok, or LinkedIn. Then focus on one niche. This is crucial for getting your first client quickly. Just pick one niche, for example, local restaurants, cafes, fitness trainers and gyms, real estate agents, beauty salons, and spas. When you specialize, you understand the industry better, you create better content, and you get more referrals because people in the same industry talk to each other. Now, here's an action step for you. Right now, write down 3 types of businesses you're interested in helping. Think about industries you already understand and you're passionate about. So, step number 2, set up your business foundation. Now that you understand what you'll be doing, let's set up your business properly so you look professional from day 1. Create your own professional social media presence. Before you can manage others' accounts, you need to look credible yourself. This doesn't mean you need thousands of followers, but your own profile should be clean and professional. For Instagram, sign up for a new Instagram account. Use a clear profile photo that is professional headshot or logo. Write a bio that clearly states what you do, that is social media manager, and then helping real estate agents grow online. Then DM for services includes ways to contact you through an email or phone. Set up a professional profile highlighting your social media management services. Connect with local business owners. Share tips about social media marketing. You don't need to be an influencer. You just need to look like someone who understands social media. Then choose your service packages. Here are 3 common package structures. Starter package, that is $300 to $500 per month, where you post 3 to 4 posts per week on one platform. Then basic caption writing, hashtag research, and monthly analytics reports. Then we have the growth package, where you charge $600 to $1,000 per month. This is 5 to 7 posts per week on one platform, advanced caption writing, call to actions, stories or reels. Then you do 2 to 3 per week community engagement, responding to comments, bi-weekly strategy calls. Then we have the premium package. This is $1,200 to $2,000 per month. That's daily posting on 2 platforms, stories, reels, feed posts, full community management, ad campaign setup, and monitoring weekly reports and strategy sessions. Start with simpler packages and add complexity as you gain experience. Essential tools you need most are free, like ChatGPT is free, which helps you generate caption ideas, create content calendars, and then write engaging posts. Then helps you come up with creative campaign ideas. The other tool is Canva, which is free, which you use to design Instagram posts, stories, reels, and create branded templates and graphics. Then you have scheduling tools, which is Meta Business Suite. For the analytics, Instagram and Facebook has built-in and free analytics tools. You can start this business with just free tools and upgrade as you earn money. Then create simple portfolio even without real clients yet. You can create sample work. So choose 3 fictional or real businesses in your niche. Create 6 to 9 sample, and for each using Canva. Write engaging captions using ChatGPT. Put this as Instagram insights or highlights. This portfolio shows potential clients what you can do for them. Then set up simple contracts and invoicing. Protect yourself and look professional with contracts. And I recommend a 3-month minimum cancellation policy. You can find free contract templates online specifically for social media managers. For invoicing, use PayPal, Wave, Stripe, or QuickBooks. Make payments easy for your clients with multiple options. Then the action step for this part, set up your professional social media profile today and create your first service package pricing sheet. Then step 3 is marketing strategies to get your first client. This is where most people get stuck. You're ready to work, but how do you actually find clients? Let me share with you proven strategies that work. Strategy 1, direct outreach to local businesses. This is the fastest way to get your first client, and here is a step-by-step process. Research local businesses in your niche. Use Google Maps, Instagram, or just walk around your neighborhood. Look for businesses with inactive social media. For example, if they posted 3 months ago, or poor quality posts, blurry photos, and no captions. No social media presence at all. Prepare your pitch, keep it short and value focused. You can say, "Hi John, I'm a social media manager specializing in real estate. I noticed your Instagram and Facebook and I see a huge opportunity to help you reach more customers online, and I'd love to offer you a free content audit and show you how consistent posting could grow your business. Would you be open for a quick 15 minutes call this week?" Then you give them a week to respond. You can reach out via multiple channels. That's direct message on Instagram, send an email, which you will find on their website, then call their business's phone, or you can visit in person, especially effective for restaurants and salons. Follow up. Most people won't respond to your first message, so follow up 3 to 5 times over 2 weeks. Persistence shows professionalism. The tip here is offer your first client a discounted rate, or even do 1 month for free in exchange for a testimonial and the ability to use the account in your portfolio. Then strategy 2, leverage your existing network. You know more potential clients than you think. Tell friends and family what you're doing. Post on their personal social media about your new service. Then join local Facebook groups. Often your first client comes from someone who you already know and trust. Strategy number 3, create valuable content that attracts clients. Instead of always chasing clients, create content that makes them come to you. Post consistently on your own platform about social media tips from business owners, then success stories and results, quick tutorials on Canva or content creation. Your city and location should also be part of it. This builds authority and makes you discoverable. And strategy number 4 is offer free value upfront. This is one of the most powerful strategies. Free audit approach. Message a business and say, "I'd love to offer you a free social media audit. I'll review your current presence, deliver genuine value in your audit, and at the end, offer your services. If you'd like me to implement these strategies for you, here's how we could work together." And with that, you pitch a business idea to a business owner. Action for this step is create a list of 30 potential clients in your chosen niche and start reaching out at least 5 per day. Then step 4, create stunning content using ChatGPT and Canva. Now let's talk about actually creating the content your clients need. This is where ChatGPT becomes your secret weapon, and using ChatGPT for content creation if you learn how to use it effectively. For example, create a 30-day Instagram content calendar for a local coffee shop. Include post ideas for different days of the week that engage the audience. ChatGPT will give you a complete month of post ideas organized by theme. And create hook-worthy first lines. The first line of your caption is crucial for stopping the scroll. Give me 10 attention-grabbing first lines for Instagram posts about healthy meal prep for busy professionals. Then generate hashtag strategies. The prompt could be provide 30 relevant hashtags for a boutique clothing store targeting women aged 25 to 40. The pro tips for using ChatGPT is always audit and personalize the output. Don't just copy and paste. Add the client-specific voice and personality. Include client-specific details ChatGPT wouldn't know. Use it as a starting point, not the final product. Then designing posts in Canva. Even if you're not a designer, Canva makes you look like a professional. So the Canva workflow is start with templates, search for Instagram posts or Instagram story, browse thousands of free templates, filter by style, then minimal, bold, elegant, customize with brand elements, upload client's logo, use their brand colors, then save this in Canva for consistency. Choose fonts that match their vibe. Limit to 2-3 fonts maximum. And create branded templates. Design 5 to 10 templates for your clients. Save the posts as PNG for best quality. Then schedule them using Meta Business Suite. And you can invest 2 to 3 hours for a full week of content. And once you're comfortable with the process. So action step, open ChatGPT right now and generate a 30-day content calendar for your idea client type. Then create 3 posts, design a Canva using this content. Then step 5, which is the last step, scale your business and maximize income. Once you land your first client and deliver great results, it's time to scale and increase your income. Keeping clients is easier and more profitable than constantly finding new ones. How to keep clients for long term is you deliver consistent results, post on schedule every single time and communicate positively. Send weekly or monthly reports showing growth, then go above and beyond, surprise them with extra stories and bonus. Then ask for feedback. Regular check-ins show you care about their satisfaction. Aim for 6-12 more relationships minimum with each client. Then systemize your business. As you add clients, you need systems to stay organized. Use these tools like Trello and Asana to track your client tasks and deadlines. Then Google Drive to store all your clients' content and brand assets. And scheduling tools to batch schedule content for all clients. And templates to reuse proven post templates across clients. Then create a clear standard operating procedure to keep everything organized and efficient. And finally, you can expand your services. Once you're confident with basic social media management, now you can expand your services to boost your income potential. You can add Facebook, Instagram ads, and you can charge $500 to $2,000 per month. And now to conclude, starting a social media management business is one of the most accessible ways to make money online in 2025. You don't need a degree, you don't need years of experience, and you don't need a huge investment. You just need to take action. And my challenge for you today, don't just watch this video and do nothing. Take one action step right now. Set up your professional Instagram bio. Create your first package pricing. Then reach out to one potential client. Generate your first content calendar in ChatGPT. Then design your post in Canva. And just do one thing today. You're already ahead of 90% of people who just think about it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Ruth Finance for more tutorials on making money online and building profitable businesses.